What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. Do you have dead patches in your grass? Well, if you do and you're like me and I've got these dead patches for various reasons, hey, I picked this up. It is called Hydro Mousse Liquid Lawn. It's a spray with seed in it. And what's kind of funny is it does look like there's seeds in there. And hopefully this will kind of come down and cover up everything, maybe even look a little green. You've got a knob on the top here so that you can just kind of pass water through or spread the seed lightly or heavily. And I'm going to spread this seed really heavily, and it looks like we should just be able to attach it to a normal garden hose here and spray it on. So let's give it a try. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is open this thing up, and there are some instructions in here, and then all of the components are in two different bags. So what you're going to actually do here is the seeds are separated into a plastic bag, and then you have this seed coating formula, which I think says coats the seeds evenly. And all I think I'm going to do here is dump the seeds into the sprayer first. And they just look like regular grass seeds to me. Oops, spilled some, huh? And I'm going to take the seed coating formula, which is in here, and I think this will dissolve on its own. Looks brown. All right, so now I'm going to screw on the top and apply this to the lawn. So here's really where I want the grass seed put down, and on the top here, it might be a little hard to see, but this is what I was talking about. You can turn it off, water only, light seed off, or heavy seed. So I'm going to turn this to heavy seed. Okay, now that I'm spraying it, what you can see here is this kind of comes out in this flat pattern, and man, is this green. It's so green, I really didn't expect it to be that green. And so it does help kind of minimize, I think, some of the nasty look of kind of those dead brown spots kind of instantly while you're waiting for it to get seeded and grow. And I'm not sure if the green is, I'm assuming maybe it's that coating thing that comes in there, but man, it really is green. I'll be honest, that was a big surprise, but it's just this easy. This is the heavy spray here. It's just this easy to cover up everything. You do want to look at the amount of square footage that you have to make sure you have enough here to cover up everything you need, but I'll probably have to do a follow-up on this because I want to share this with you without waiting too long for results. But hopefully within the next week or so here, we're supposed to get some rain, it'll start looking a little bit better. But kind of cool. I don't know if this works. I might have to get another one of these, maybe try some other techniques to seed my lawn again. Check it out. I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter von Panda out.